though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public, do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then. So I don't have...
Today's video comes from Key Burks. Link below if you want to watch the full clip. What starts as simple filming outside Brighton Police Station quickly turns tense once officers step in and start asking questions. The conversation rapidly shifts into a debate about police powers, public rights, and possible arrest threats. But instead of backing down, the auditor stays calm and pushes back on every claim. This turns into more than just another public audit. It becomes a real look at how authority reacts when someone knows their rights and refuses to be pressured. Let's get into it.
Filming.
What are you filming for? Anything exciting?
Not yet. Are you exciting?
Oh, I don't know, am I?
Could you identify?
Sorry?
Could you identify
Identify what?
yourself?
I don't need to, do I? Hello, you're right.
Do you not? I think you do when a member of the public asks you to identify. You should, really.
You can see my warrant number. You can see my
Okay.
warrant
Is that how
number.
you would identify to a judge?
To a judge?
Yeah. Would you just do that, would you?
That's a bit different though, isn't it?
Well, why is it different? You serve the public, do you not?
You're not a judge, are you?
I'm certainly not a judge.
Well, there we go then, so I don't have to do that.
I'm a member of the public, though, and you serve the public.
If you ask me nicely what my name is...
What's your name, miss?
My name?
Yes.
My name's Ali.
Okay. Nice.
Alright?
Cool.
Okay, cool. So, what are you doing?
Making a video.
What are you making a video for?
Brighton Police Station video.
Police station video.
I like the colourful cars. I don't think that...
One?
Yeah.
Not too bad, is it?
Yeah.
Do you have any ID on you at all?
No, why would I...
Well, just because you're taking a video of the police station and I'm not
Is that-
wondering why.
is that a
Well,
problem?
It can be.
Why could it be?
Why?
Yeah. How can it be a problem? What can I possibly do?
Well, what do you think? This current day and age.
What current day and age?
Okay, can you just not film my face for a minute,
No, I
please?
will film your
No, I
face.
don't need to film my face.
Yeah, well, you
because
shouldn't
as
move
much as
towards...
you have a right of way as a member of the public,
Yeah.
I am also a member of the public.
Okay, I'm filming for public.
That's
You should know
absolutely
that
fine,
I
but
can
you don't need to
film.
film my face.
I will film your.
that
I
way.
will film your face.
No, don't film my face.
What are you gonna do?
Do you have ID on
What are you gonna do about it?
Okay, under Section 1 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I require you
Section
to
1 of
provide-
PACE.
Yeah.
That's
Yes.
a search power actually.
It is a search power.
So what are you searching
Currently,
for?
well, at the moment.
So am I
you're-
detained?
No, I haven't said you're detained.
The first thing the officer asks for is ID. But in the UK, you generally don't have to provide identification unless specific legal powers apply. She then brings up Section 1 of PACE, which covers stop-and-search powers linked to suspected prohibited or stolen items. It does not automatically mean someone must identify themselves for filming in public. Once the auditor challenges that point, the conversation shifts quickly, and the claim loses momentum almost immediately.
Why are you videoing me?
Because I want to.
Because you want to.
So you were saying something about Section 1 of PACE. Let me hear that.
Okay, no, you carry on. You want to talk, obviously.
No, I want to
you
hear
want to
you
talk.
talk about
So, what questions do you have for us?
police code of practice. Let me hear about the PACE.
No, I don't want to
Yeah,
talk.
no, you were saying something about
No,
Section
I don't
1. No,
have to
let's
talk.
hear about that. Let's hear
No,
about
I
that.
don't have to
Yeah, I'm
talk.
gonna film your
In
face
fact,
all
what
I
I'll
want.
do, I'll film my face. That's
Yeah, I
absolutely
will.
fine. I'm going to go this way now, and I'm just going to go to the supervisor. Are you alright just monitoring? Yeah.
Monitoring what?
So you don't come in the police station?
I know, you've got signage, so I won't come in. It's fine. There's signage there, so there's no implied right of access.
If someone's filming for security reasons, we have to come.
Don't be a bully like her, please.
I'm not being
I know,
bullied.
but you should. I know, you absolutely. I know you're not. I'm just saying.
It's a security.
Okay, how am I breaching your security? You see how she tried to apply a bit of pressure, and when I wasn't having it, she backpedaled quickly. So that's a sign of a bully. Do you understand? You know what a bully will pick on someone until they kind of fight back, and then they won't. So I'm not implying that you are. I'm just saying, learn from that. And make sure you don't never.
The auditor calls it out as pressure tactics, using authority, legal sounding terms, and hoping compliance comes without question. It's a strategy that depends more on confusion than actual legal grounding. And when that doesn't work, the tone often changes. Most people hear something like Section 1 of PACE and assume it automatically applies, even when it doesn't in that context. But once you actually understand your rights, the whole situation shifts. What sounded serious at first quickly loses its weight.
Understand? Good. Would you mind identifying yourself?
Yes, my name's Alicia, and my shoulder number's there.
Okay. Hello, Alicia. So these are the police fitness standards as well, by the way. So am I being detained or anything?
What do you mean, police fitness standards?
I'm just assessing standards.
I think you're just here to cause trouble.
Okay.
So literally, why else? You got better things to do today than just
No.
film a police station?
No. So if I was to run away, do you reckon you could catch me?
I wouldn't chase you. Oh yeah.
So am I being detained? Can I go? You don't want to answer questions, though? Alright. So I wasn't meaning to be rude. I just thought that there would be, you know, higher sort of fitness requirement. Look at the state of these, like.
Can you just stand back of the boundary, please? You're not on a public right away there. You're in the police station. You can get arrested for trespass. You'll be arrested
Are you sure?
for trespassing if you don't back off.
What offence is that?
Go back to.
What offence is trespass?
Go back on.
Don't
Go
touch
back
me,
on
don't
then.
touch me.
I'm
don't
allowed
touch
to
me.
touch you to remove you from property.
Trespass is not an
can't
offence.
pass it.
You
Film
can't.
as much as you like, but you don't come over that boundary there, because then
What-
you're in the police
what-
station.
what-
You
why
can be
does it- why does it
arrested for
matter if I'm- why
trespass.
does-
No.
She then tries to suggest the auditor could be arrested for trespass. But that claim doesn't really hold up in this context. In general, trespass is a civil matter, not a criminal offense. It only becomes a criminal issue in specific cases like aggravated trespass, which requires clear intent to disrupt lawful activity. Filming in a public place, such as a pavement, doesn't automatically meet that threshold. So what's being presented here comes across more as a warning than a legally solid position. And that's the key point in this exchange. Once the legal details are actually broken down, the threat loses its weight very quickly.
Argue over this? Are we going to argue over this little piece
No,
of
I'm
tarmac?
going now. You stay on the pavement and you're absolutely fine.
You can't arrest me for trespass. Yeah, you're dismissed. Go away, weirdo.
I need to arrest you because you're not doing
Yeah, what was that about section 1 of pace? Yeah, you bottled it. Yeah, you bottled it. You bottled it. You bottled it. Yeah, I will enjoy my video, and I'll come back on. I'll come back on your property as well.
Can you get back out of the police station, please?
What? I'm literally. What difference does it make if I'm stood there or here?
I'm going to say this to you once and
Right.
once only. This is a public domain, okay?
Yeah, I know.
This
it is.
wall-
And I can film your face in public
Yeah,
as
you
well.
can film my. Well, I'm not in public at the moment, though, am I? I'm in
I
the
can
police
film you there as well.
Right.
Anything I can see from public.
Right, so instead of talking over me, can you please listen?
I'm listening.
Okay. You can stand in the public
You
domain.
can't
which
arrest
is
me
on
for
this wall.
trespass either. You'll be sued if you do that.
Well, try
There's
and see
what
then,
offence?
that's
What
fine.
offence? What offence
I'm
is
saying
trespass?
to you, you cannot come into the police station, okay? This is the pavement, the public domain. You can stay there, that's absolutely fine.
Right, dismissed. Bye, weirdo.
We've got paperwork.
You're a weirdo, man. Go away.
We've got better stuff to do.
Yeah, you don't though. You don't. Your supervisor gave you advice and now you backpedaled. What's going on? Can you have a word with that lady, please?
What's going on?
Can you identify?
Yeah. So what happened? I mean, I just walked by, so my colleague-
She tried to say that I couldn't film. She tried to put her hands on me.
Okay.
She tried to threaten me with section 1 of pace.
Okay.
She tried to tell me that I could be arrested for trespassing. As you know, trespass is a civil matter. So lots of mistakes,
Okay.
lots of things
I
that
mean,
probably could have been handled a lot better.
Could I just go back? I mean, what is the reason why?
I'm
you're
just filming.
For what? Like, are you a blogger or?
It doesn't matter. I don't need to have a reason, to be fair.
Okay. So
But we're not going to be petty over whether
Yeah,
we're standing here or here, are we?
Obviously, my obviously.
Can I see your designation card quickly? Yeah, I'm listening.
Designation.
Our police officer
Yeah.
colleague just asked if you could just step over there.
Yeah, I know.
It's not a lot to ask. I appreciate.
Yeah, and it's not.
You
I'm
can
yeah.
film, you're welcome
But
to film.
look. What's the difference if I stand there or there? What can I
Well,
possibly achieve
technically,
from here?
it's
You're just
private
exercising
property.
jurisdiction unnecessarily.
I mean, what is the reason? I mean, are you a blogger? That's what I was.
Can I see your designation card
I mean,
before I
my
engage with you?
designation is PC.
No,
so-
you have a designation card which shows me
My
what powers you
card,
have.
yeah.
No, designation card because you're a
No,
PCSO.
we don't carry
Oh, you should really carry it.
We have it, everything in our.
A second PCSO arrives, and the tone is noticeably calmer. He asks what the auditor is filming and whether he's a blogger, trying to understand the situation instead of escalating it. But the same issue comes up again: accountability. PCSOs don't have full constable powers. They only act within what's formally delegated to them by the chief constable, such as issuing certain notices or handling minor enforcement tasks. That's why transparency matters. They're expected to be able to show or confirm what powers they're operating under when asked. When the auditor requests that designation proof, it isn't produced. It may not be unlawful, but it raises questions about clarity and public trust in the moment.
Are you sure it's not a requirement for you to carry it?
But why?
If you
And
want-
produce
if you
it.
want to look at our powers, you can go onto
No, don't worry. I'm well aware of your powers. I'm just seeing if you're going to follow your policy or not.
I mean, you know, like.
We're going to leave now, okay? You can continue filming.
Yeah, thanks. I will
But
continue.
If you come any further into the police station, obviously our police colleagues have to.
Have to and do what?
It's not about doing. It's about also having a mutual respect. Obviously, they have explained.
What
you
mutual respect? I'm not doing anything
know,
illegal, am I?
I mean, I asked you politely, like, why are you filming?
Because I want to. I don't need to have
just
a reason.
for my curiosity. I mean, what are you a blogger or what is
Doesn't
your
matter why.
expecting?
It doesn't matter. Simple as that.
Okay, that's fine.
doesn't matter. You see, like,
You shouldn't wear that. You're defacing the British flag by wearing that. That's a gang sign. You shouldn't really be wearing that.
Okay, right. We'll go now.
Yeah, have you learned something today?
so we're
You've
gonna
learned a few
draw.
things today, yeah?
okay. All right, we're going to draw.
And it's a
please,
requirement for you to carry your designation
Yeah,
card.
we have it in our pocket notebook, so we
It's all
have
in
every.
there.
Yeah.
All right, let me see it.
Yeah, it's not about you.
So a member of the
seeing it,
public's
you know.
asking for it right
Yeah.
now. I'm requiring
Yeah,
you
I
to
mean,
show me your
if you
designation
go
card.
online, you will be able to see it. But
I'm not online now, am I? I'm asking
yeah,
you.
But what I'm saying is, my colleague has explained to you, if you don't step into this private property, you are more than welcome to film on the road, whatever you're doing. I think there is another gentleman who is skateboarding. They are happily doing that. But if you wanted to film in that, that's fine enough. Okay. All right.
Well, we'll see you later.
See you
okay?
later. Bye.
That woman was a definite tyrant, guys. That first one, definite tyrant. Talking about section 1 of PACE and da. She said, under section 1 of PACE, I'm requiring you to identify yourself. I'm like, what are you talking about, bro? Section 1 of PACE. Section 1 of PACE is a stop and search power. This woman's clueless. Basically, one of your colleagues, I was filming. Naturally, she asked me to stop filming. Then she tried to require my ID under section 1 of PACE and then backpedaled. So I don't think that was good practice. As we're aware, PACE is a stop and search power, right? So I don't know if she was trying to flex or I don't know what she was doing, but
I mean, I can't possibly comment
Of
on
course.
it because I wasn't there.
you asked me the question and
I just
yeah.
police station.
Yeah, I'm just making a video. Police.
Oh, okay. Do you know what you could do, which might be...
Escorted tour?
What's that?
Can I get an escorted
Do you know
tour?
what? I was going to suggest...
Can I jump in the back?
No, you're not allowed. I'm really sorry. So the reason is we're not insured, sadly.
Okay.
But if you're interested in the police, why don't you go down to the front office
Mm-hmm.
and see what they can offer you and what you can do as a member of the public?
Okay.
Because they're being delivered.
I know where it is, yeah.
So have you been in before?
I've never been here before. This is my first Brighton rodeo.
Oh, okay. Are you from Brighton?
No,
What would you like?
I'm not required to give names already.
No, you don't have to.
What's your name? Would you mind identifying?
Yeah, of course. I can tell you.
You're very friendly, thanks.
No, that's fine. My name's PC Fraser.
Okay.
But I think if you want to find out about the police and you want to find out about things, if you walk up this hill here and round to the front office, then they'll be able to help
Yeah,
you.
to be fair, PC, I'm more interested in exercising my right to film from a public place and not being
Right.
interfered with. That's more of the point. You know,
Absolutely fine. It's obviously, if you film in the rear of the police station,
yes.
there is security concerns. with regards to
Okay.
things
Is this
like
not a secure building?
that. Say again?
Is this not a secure building?
It's a police station.
Okay.
Yeah, it's very secure.
You've got the appropriate signage on there. I understand. I don't have an implied right of access, so I'm sticking to the public boundary. Yeah.
Be prepared that you're going to have a lot of officers who want to know what you're up to.
Would you circulate it so I won't?
I can't be there. Police officers have curiosity if someone's filming the rear of a police
Why? This is a lawful activity. I wouldn't really expect this to pique anyone's interest.
We're not going to film that with you. All it
Alright.
says, be aware of what the police says.
Yeah.
Okay. Actually, if this is a police vehicle,
Yeah.
if it's a police vehicle, you can see us on the street, you can see us coming out of the station.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is the limit for
Yes.
obvious reasons.
Yeah, so I'm aware of the signage. I can read the signage.
Okay. And if you want to find out more about the police, then obviously go round to the front office and talk to them.
I'm
But-
finding out a lot as we speak.
Yeah,
Just
that's
by virtue of me
absolutely
filming,
Okay.
I'm learning a lot.
But we will ask you because that's our job.
And you're welcome. You're welcome.
Okay. Okay, do you want to give me your name?
No, I'm not going to give no names. No,
All right, well, okay. You might have a busy afternoon with officers speaking.
I hope not.
And just please be mindful, this is a working police station.
Yes.
When officers get responsive to emergencies, they will be able to come out here. They'll have their lights on, you'll see them. But obviously this isn't the greatest place to be
Yeah.
standing with the cars coming in and out.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm not going to stand in the way of moving
No,
traffic.
no,
Don't worry
I
about it.
appreciate that, but as I say, I don't really care if you want to film. Police officers get filmed every day. It might be better just over there. You're going to get
All
the
right.
same
Well,
amount,
thanks for your
you're gonna get the
suggestion,
same
but
amount, you're going to get the same amount of coverage.
all right.
You'll be
And
safer.
you'll be safer.
All right. Thanks for looking out for my safety. I'll be able to look after it. Thanks.
I hope you do.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye.
You too, sir.
Later, a constable arrives. And the difference is clear. Calm, direct, and proportionate. He explains the basics, simply. Stay on the pavement. Film if you want, but don't enter private property. No pressure, no confusion. Just a straight application of the law that's a contrast. No bluffs, no vague legal claims. Just clear and accurate guidance based on what actually applies. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.